Welcome. This is how to download Vanguard for Valorant. So guys, one thing that you should consider is when you download Valorant, automatically you will have the Vanguard within it. So in order for you to reinstall it, first just simply go to the settings into your Windows, and after that go for the apps, go for the installed apps, and from here just simply search for Riot Vanguard. So from here you would just simply uninstall it, and now once you have uninstalled it, you would just simply select a yes. And right after that, guys, once it is removed, you could just simply go ahead and open up your Riot into your Windows. And now here on the Riot, you just have to sign in into your account. Now guys, once you are signed in, you can just simply go to the Valorant, and right after that, you should be able to have an option over here, update, and this will download the Riot Vanguard as you can see over here. And that's simply about it. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like, and if you have any questions, comment down below. Thanks for watching.